I spent weeks digging, researching, and watching what real people are actually using to build wealth. Not online hype, but machines. Machines that create products. Machines that offer services. Machines that turn skills into real cash flow. Today, I'm breaking down the 9 machines you can buy online quietly making people rich 2026. All right, let's get into it. Number 9. Balloon Stuffing Machine. This one looks simple until you see the profits. A balloon stuffing machine lets you place gifts inside balloons. Teddy bears, candy, baby clothes, money, gift cards, anything that fits. The machine stretches the balloon safely so you can insert items without popping it. Seal it, decorate it, and suddenly you've created a premium gift. People sell these for baby showers, birthdays, graduations, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Easter. Prices range from $25 to $100 per balloon depending on customization. Many sellers partner with florists, event planners, party decorators. Working part-time, some are pulling in $2,000 to $4,000 per month. And the machine itself? Just $399. Low cost, high margins, huge demand. Number 8. Laser Cleaner. Watching rust turn into cash. This machine removes rust like magic. It's called a laser cleaner, and once you see it in action, you won't forget it. Watching rust, paint, or corrosion disappear in seconds is oddly satisfying. But here's the real surprise. People are building serious businesses with this. So how does it work? A laser cleaner uses focused laser beams to burn off rust, paint, grease, or corrosion from metal surfaces. No chemicals, no sandblasting, no damage to the metal underneath. Just clean, restored metal in seconds. And here's how people are making money with it. Mobile rust removal services for cars, trailers, gates, fences, tools, and machinery. Charging $100 to $500 per job, depending on size and condition. Partnering with painters, auto shops, and construction crews to prep metal before welding or painting. Another smart move, renting the machine out. Local shops and contractors rent these for $250 to $500 per day, often becoming repeat customers. And here's a bonus income stream most people miss. Record it. Rust removal videos are insanely satisfying to watch. Creators are building monetized YouTube and TikTok channels just showing this machine in action, which also doubles as free marketing. Number 7. Knitting Machine. No knitting skills required. Zero experience needed. The AliExpress knitting machine lets you make beanies, scarves, and sweaters in minutes, not hours. And beanies? They sell like crazy. People are listing them on Amazon and Etsy, charging premium prices for handmade, personalized, trendy designs. The machine costs just over $100, and sellers easily earn that back with their first few sales. It's simple, creative, and perfect for beginners. Number 6. Edible Ink Printer. Printing money on desserts. Ever seen cakes or cookies with photos, logos, or cartoon characters printed perfectly on top? That's not magic. That's an edible ink printer. The Inkedible's Cake Pro Quattro works just like a regular printer, but instead of ink, it uses FDA-approved edible ink, and instead of paper, it prints on frosting sheets, wafer paper, or directly onto desserts. Upload your design. Insert the treat. Hit print. In seconds, you've got a professional, edible design. Here's how people make money with it. Custom birthday and wedding desserts. Corporate logo cupcakes. Party favors. School events and fundraisers. One company using this machine is now making 6 figures a year. Yes, the machine is an investment. $2,495 to $5,900. But for bakeries or home dessert businesses, it pays for itself fast. Number 5. Procolor DTF Printer. This one is a clothing business without the headaches. DTF stands for direct to film. You print a design onto special film, apply powder, heat it, then press it onto fabric. It works on cotton, polyester, blends, light or dark colors, no vinyl cutting, no screen printing mess. People use it to sell custom t-shirts, team shirts, birthday and event shirts, transfer-only designs for other businesses. Shirts sell for $20 to $35, while materials cost just a few dollars. Many users earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on volume. Printer cost $1,800 to $6,000, but it pays for itself quickly if used consistently. Number 4. Salsa 2 Photo Booth. This is passive income disguised as a party. The Salsa 2 Photo Booth is a sleek, all-digital setup that uses an iPad to take photos, boomerangs, short videos. Guests receive images instantly on their phones. No prints, no cables. People rent it out for weddings, corporate events, graduations, baby showers. Rates range from $400 to $1,200 per event. Do just 4 events a month at $700 each. That's $2,800 monthly from one machine. Busy seasons push that to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Here's the secret most people miss. You don't have to stay at the event. Set it up, let it run, and pick it up later. The booth does the work for you. Add branded overlays, logos, or custom frames to charge premium rates. Repeat clients come back every year for weddings, parties, and corporate events. Scale it by owning 2 or 3 booths. Now your income multiplies. Machine cost, around $3,000. Number 3. Glowforge Aura, turning creativity into cash. If you're creative, this machine is a goldmine. The Glowforge Aura is a compact laser cutter and engraver that works with wood, acrylic, leather, paper, and more. Upload a design, place your material inside, and press print. People are using it to create custom gifts, engraved cutting boards, jewelry, wall art, ornaments, keychains, crock charms. One seller made $30,000 selling personalized monograms. Another Etsy shop made $37,000 in a single month. Here's what most people miss. Customers happily pay more for personalization. A simple name or date can instantly turn a $5 item into a $40 product. You don't need to be an artist. Many sellers use ready-made designs and templates. Seasonal products like holidays, weddings, and anniversaries explode sales overnight. Once your designs are created, the machine keeps earning while you focus on scaling. Price range: $1,200 to $5,000, but the earning potential is massive. Number 2. CNC Machine. This machine made a college student over $500,000. A CNC machine automates wood carving, cutting, and shaping with incredible precision. Successful sellers focus on niches like home decor, real estate closing gifts, outdoor furniture, kitchen items. One seller made $500,000 in 2 years. Another crossed $1.2 million on Etsy selling outdoor coolers. Here's why this works so well. People pay more for solid, handcrafted looking items. CNC lets you produce consistently without sacrificing quality. Once a design works, you can reproduce it again and again with minimal effort. Smart sellers don't compete on price. They compete on purpose and presentation. When you solve one specific problem, buyers come looking for you. Machine cost: $1,300 to $4,000. The secret? Solve a specific problem and market it clearly. Number 1. 3D Printer Creality K2 Plus. This is the ultimate create anything machine. The Creality K2 Plus is a high-speed 3D printer packed with AI-powered features that make printing faster, smoother, and more reliable. Upload a design, press start, and watch an idea turn into a real product. People are using it to sell tools, toys, home decor, organizers, custom parts, prototypes. Here's where it gets exciting. You don't need one product. You can sell hundreds. One printer can create something different every single day. Trending items today, custom orders tomorrow, bulk orders next week. It adapts to the market faster than almost any business model. Sell items for $10 to $50 each. Just 10 sales a day can bring in $3,000 to $5,000 a month from one machine. Machine price, $599 to $699. It's flexible, it's scalable, and it's one of the most powerful money-making tools on this list. This isn't just a printer, it's a factory on your desk. These machines prove one thing: you don't need to be famous to be rich. You need tools, strategy, and consistency. So tell me, which machine would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're still watching, comment "Wow, I want to see who made it to the end." Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe for more real money ideas. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.